Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to find deleted notes on iPhone or iPad. So firstly, you have to go to the notes first and go to notes or go to this iCloud. Now I'm deleting this one. Just slide to the right hand side and you'll find here delete option. Click on red button delete. And how you can recover it now, you have to go to back and you'll find here recently deleted. Click on this recently deleted and you'll find here the deleted recently what you have deleted. So all you have to just right slide and you have to click on the folder icon. Then you have to click on move notes, this one, move notes. Click on this and your deleted notes has been moved here. Okay, so this is how you can do this. You can do the deleted file within 30 days. If the deleted file cross the 30 days, it is permanently deleted. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.